In this video, I'm gonna show you a quick and easy method on how to increase sound in Premiere Pro in only 1 minute. So better keep watching till the end. Let's get started. So as you can see, this video is our base. As you can see, the voice is pretty normal. Right here, it's pretty normal. If we wanna increase it, we're gonna click on the audio, then right click on it. We're gonna choose audio gain, then add, let's say, 15. As you can see, the video increased. I can't play it because it's gonna be so loud. If we wanna decrease it, we're gonna go minus 15 to make it go to wherever it was, and minus 13 if we wanna go and decrease it more.
I hope this guide was helpful. If it is, please consider subscribing and liking this video. Thanks for watching.